Welcome to our video on the basics of computer hardware. Today, we will be demystifying the inner workings of a computer, giving you a comprehensive understanding of what happens inside this marvelous machine. Let's start with the motherboard. This is the main circuit board of the computer, connecting all the essential components together. It houses the CPU, RAM, and other crucial elements that allow your computer to function. Next, we have the CPU, also known as the brain of the computer. It carries out all the calculations and executes commands. The faster the CPU, the more powerful your computer will be. Now, let's talk about RAM, or random access memory. This temporary storage allows the computer to access data quickly. The more RAM you have, the more programs you can run simultaneously without slowing down your computer. Moving on, we have the hard drive. This is where all your data is stored, including the operating system, files, and programs. It's like the long-term memory of your computer. Graphics cards are vital for those who use their computers for gaming or graphic-intensive tasks. They enhance the display and enable smooth gameplay by processing and rendering images and videos. Lastly, we have the power supply unit. This component provides electricity to all the computer parts, ensuring they function properly. It's like the heart of the computer, keeping everything alive and kicking. And there you have it, a brief overview of computer hardware. We hope this video has demystified the inner workings of a computer for you. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.